What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're headed out to an awesome drifting event in Rockford. I think it's like an hour away. We're gonna be cruising with my Nismo. We got my brother right behind me over here. We're just waiting to pick up my friend Nick, who was with us in the last video, and we're gonna meet up with Rimbo at Speedway and then probably just cruise to the event. I'm not sure if anyone else is meeting up with us like on the way to the event, but when we get there, I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of cool people, definitely a lot of cool cars, and I'm really excited. Cleaned it up pretty decent a couple days ago. I'll touch it up again when we get to the show. I don't know what's going on up here, to be honest with you, but yeah. Michael added some nice little touch-ups down here. And on the side over here, I'll show you. Look at that. That looks crazy. Forgot, I kind of walked past it over here. But he's got it on the sides too. Pretty cool. That single exit though. And all my stickers, they fainted, so I took all the accents off. It's actually on the O right now, and it looks just like it. You could barely tell. But I'm keeping the sticker here because, like, if I peel it off, it's easier to cut it out to put it back on the wrap. We tried many times to do that. I'll re-put the pinstriping back on when I get the new stuff back for sure. All right. He just got some car wash done real quick. We're all hanging out here at the Speedway real quick. This is the first little meetup. It is just us, I guess. No big deal. I'm excited. I'll park behind Michael over here. Let's see. Pulled up at the event. Got a fat line of cars that wraps all the way around until I think you enter there. Got Michael behind us, nice Evo behind us. There's a lot of cool cars here. I'm really excited that they're drifting in there. If you guys can't hear, I was trying to get some clips of them. All right, so we just pulled in, and yeah, everyone's ripping it in there. We're unpacking over here. We just parked up. What up, boys? Nice drive. That was a good drive. That was a good drive. It was fun. All right, all right. Yeah, dude. What a day. Yeah. Look at it out here. Look at all these cars. It's ridiculous. Everyone's cleaned up really well. What? Did you get in the show? Yeah, I paid. Well, I mean, I don't know. It was literally like $10 more. Oh, whatever. I didn't care. Yeah, 50 bucks. I was like, I'm doing it. For this kind of venue, I'm like, yeah, it's worth it. That, for sure. We were driving in here. I'm like, dude, Victor, like, Mike should definitely pay to get it. For sure. I'm doing it, yeah. Oh, dude. RB. Ooh, little GTR. What's up?
I'm gonna be going into cars. Can I take your GoPro with me?
Are you really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I could probably do that. Alright, just quick waxed it a little bit. We got some more Z-Boys here though, Hunting Company. Very nice. Dude, they got some nice wheel setups. Dude. Hell yeah, I could tell for sure. Turbo guy. Nuts. Dude's got a top mount. Dude, that's crazy. I like the color a lot too, bro. That's really nice. This guy's got the boosted performance kit. Just found out then. Let me walk around. Let's see if we can find his at. He's got the Tomei full 3-inch straight pipe. I don't see it. We'll get it from him though. But yeah, nice wheel setup, guys. So boosted performance underneath somewhere right over there. And then he's got the Soho turbo kit on here. Love the front end though. I love this color a lot too. I'm gonna ask him what the color this is. Woo! Very nice. And then we got my Z right here. Let's see if I can get them all. Oh, I'm gonna have to try to get a good thumbnail out of this somehow. I'll pop the hood, let her breathe a little bit. Oh, there we go. Not bad. Shit's hot in there. You look good out here though. Straight pipe VQ gang. He's got it, he's got it. He's got this, he's got it.
What's so funny, dude, it's like when you watch like a 10 block go.
Yeah.
Dude, it's so butter. No, yeah. You hear the tire still trying to grip.
You did alright? Woo! Dude, this DE's ripping it. Come on, buddy, you got it. Held it good. Good job, bro. Holy cow.
This is great.
Alright fans, just so you know, there is going to be a tug of war by the big party bus parked by the main stage at 5 o'clock.
Holy cow. Look at this angle kick. Oh my god. Holy.
That's how you drift. Oh my god.
Oh. He's doing the drift the whole way around. Smoke in the cabin, bro.
That was badass.
Alright everybody, I'm gonna do my best to try to get as much of this on camera, but there's just so many fresh, clean builds out here. Try to show a couple of my favorite highlights. I love this black, very sparkly. This thing's super clean. Like the headlight. Very nice. Another clean Rex. Carbon fiber all over it. Yeah, dude, we got a lot of crazy stuff out here today. Evo 9, love it. Look at all this stuff. Check out that Supra in a second. Damn, boy, that's pretty cool. I think it's nuts. Look at that thing. Fresh G over here. Look at that. It is at right there. Let's see that trunk setup. I bet it's pretty nasty. That's crazy. But yeah, great hood and fenders choice. This thing's clean, my man. R32. Oh my god, that green Supra behind it too. Take a look at these beauties next to each other. Holy cow. Damn, bro. Look at that gloss. I need that kind of glossy stuff in blue. Look at all this stuff out here, guys. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, guys. This color is beautiful. Look at the Supra color too. Same as the last video I just showed you where it's got all that glossy color going on. That's nuts. Crazy. Look at this drift car. Holy. Woo! These are all the cars in line that go into drift right through here. Use my iPhone to record all that stuff, but yeah, we're just in the pits right now trying to check out some cool drift cars. Try to check out this 300Z. So we got the 300, another 240, clean Nismo over here. Single exit? Hell yeah, dude. Dude, how was the ride? I bet it was cool. She's just ripping it in this thing, guys. You dominated the track.
Alright, race fans, in the interest of time, we're going to do the tug of war now while they're still cleaning up the track.
cool spot over here. Oh, peek my head around. Look at that.
In the video, you
Oh.
gave me a shout out.
Yeah, dude, we're just watching everyone like enter right over here. We're just chilling. This guy's insane. Bro, look at this. This dude's got a duck. What the? Look at him go. Time to hear this V8, guys. Yeah, he's pretty good. It's pretty cool in the front. We're gonna finish walking up the show here. Like I said, lots of cool stuff out here. Just doing my best to capture what I can. This whole overflow lot is badass. I like that cue for sure, but nice. Dude, these headlights are really nice.
Damn.
Super dog. These are our boys. Yeah, right. We saw these guys at the show yesterday. We just recorded them yesterday. Hell yeah. Dude, this color. That blue purple switch up, that's beautiful. Got my boys G out here again. Another G. Not sure if I walked these already, so we'll check them out real quick. But yeah, clean FRS. Nice wide body Lexus, but my favorite GTR that I've ever seen in a while. This kid's just beautiful. I'm not even a wide body guy, but I love this car. Look at the rear of this thing. Mr. Nissan Altima guy. This thing's got a crazy kit on it. Wow. Nuts. All the Hondas out here. Those wheels. I like the black chrome, bro. Thing's badass. Porsche. That's good enough. Clutch doesn't really do anything. That's all I got. That's great.
Sounds like Chicago.
Motor 9's a good sound for sure. It's more. What's up, homie?
Keep on tapping the throttle.
I got you. Yeah, just rev it, you know. This thing's nuts, bro. He's manual too. I miss having my flame tune, bro. I used to have the flame tune in my 350, so I could do that shit. I miss it. I don't have it right now.
What have you done to yours?
I just have long tube headers, full single exit, and I'm putting on my intakes and my, what do you call it, oil cooler
What
soon.
it takes?
I got UPT 3-inch.
Oh, really?
Yeah, for sure. It's gonna be nice. Dude, he's got 76mm throttle bodies and ported manifolds, bro. 3-inch intakes. He's got similar setup to me, just in the G. This thing's badass. Michael just get out of this thing. Yeah, we're gonna get his point of view out of his GoPro in a little bit for sure. I'm just trying to get out of here. There's so many people though, bro. Oh my gosh. We're doing this. Michael's behind me. We got this. We got hella Z's out here. There you go, homie. Yeah. What up? Hello?
You guys are coming back. You're just gonna have to park out there.
No worries, it's cool. We're leaving. Yeah, that was tough.
Sounds good.
Have a good one. Wow.
Bye, Rockford.
Yeah, we're gonna close up the video soon. Just gonna have some fun on the way home a little bit. Long drive though.
Long drive, hour and a half.
For real. I gotta switch to that. Boom.
Let's get some music going.
Oh yeah, we got you. How do I get out of here? Make it right? Alright, ready? Telling you, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Sonny, we forgot to outro the video, so we're doing it now. I appreciate you guys as always for watching. Thank you for staying to the end of today's video. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, so I really appreciate that. I got a lot of new content coming for this guy soon. I'm gonna finish up all the mods soon and get it tuned up. What up, Sonny? I was thinking for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, I want to do like $100 in Bitcoin, because Bitcoin and crypto has honestly changed my life and allowed a lot of cool things to happen for me. So I just want to give back on top of the videos that I do for free. I'll help you set up your wallet and I'll help you get started with your first Bitcoin investment. As you can see in the end, the car kept up actually pretty good with Michael, so I'm really excited to see what happens when we throw the intakes on, help keep the temps down with that oil cooler, and go from there. I honestly think we'll have him for a little while. Maybe once we top 4th gear, he might start to pull a little bit, but yeah, I mean, here's how the car sits right now. She's looking pretty good for how long we've had her. I'm obsessed with that single exit look. It's just so pretty, dude. As always, be sure to follow my social medias. They're down in the description below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Yo, Sonny, while you're on your way in, tell them we gotta get to 1,000 subscribers, so get over here, okay? Come on, are you gonna come in or are you just gonna chill? Pretend you wanna come in. Yeah, you're coming in, alright, bet.